Claire and I'm going to show you how to rose prune today. I just want to show you a few tools that you might need. Some really good gloves for rose pruning, a trowel, a saw, some loppers and of course your secateurs. So the first thing you're going to look at is dead, diseased and damaged wood. It's always good to start with dead, diseased, damaged because it makes you actually start your project. So let's have a look in here. We've got some dead, diseased, damaged, so let's just start by taking those off. And remember to remove every item that you cut. And again, we're just looking at taking some dead, diseased, damaged off. So after removing any dead, diseased, damaged, have a look at the shape of the plant. So ideally we're looking at it looking a bit like a vase or even like a cup of your hand. So in the center here you want it to be fairly clear and some airflow. And then if you look at my knuckles, they're the outward facing buds and they're where we're going to be pruning to. So you're looking at an outward facing bud for your pruning, and we're probably going to reduce this one to 2/3. But you always maybe prune a little bit higher if you're not so sure, because you can't glue it back on once you've pruned it off. So if you want to and you're nervous, maybe prune higher and then come back later. So that's my outward facing bud. And I'm also looking at a bit of an angle to prune on there, and that just stops any water that's going to be sitting on there from rain or anything else, and it won't infect the bud there. It will just run off down this side. And once you've finished your prune, you want to be able to tidy up around the crown. So this here is the crown, and what we're wanting to do is try and get some of that compost out so that it's not getting buried. And then what we're going to do is feed our plants with some lovely compost.